This guy's switching tracks. Comes another train down here, so I didn't cut the video, giving you guys an area view of what's going on over here on these rails, this switch track situation and grade they got going on up there. This grade where the Amtrak and the it's mainly they use that for the New Jersey Transit going up that grade there. Here comes a train this way and a train the other way. This is gonna be nice. This should be in the cellar because I've been out here for a while and I haven't seen it in the cellar. Nah, it's not. He's going up the grade. And we're gonna catch this train. That train is going northeast. It's traveling north. And the train coming in the opposite direction. Train coming now, traveling south. And this should be in the cellar. Because like I said, I've been up here for maybe like around 45 minutes. And I haven't seen it in the cellar. The cellar comes every half an hour. And today is Saturday, nice if a seller came down here right now. Got 4 minutes filming. We got time for the seller come flying down here. I won't cut the camera. This is my real railroad right here. My real trains. I like this part of my layout. The next stop over there is North Elizabeth. I'll be over there filming on North Elizabeth. The train to stop. Some of them stop there. The local, the express, the Amtrak, the sellers, they don't stop there. Then the next stop down there is Newark Liberty Airport. That's downtown Newark right there. That bridge over there, that's the Haynes Bridge. I film trains. I have footage on TikTok. I go down there sometimes on that Haynes Bridge, and I film with this away, and you can see they got a freight train rail that cuts across there. We got another train coming down here. That's probably in the cellar too. It should be. And I want to get a good view of this cellar. I mean, the front of the train, the trucks, everything. Sun is set over there in the east. Excuse me, it's set over there in the west. Rise from over here in the east. I don't know, these trains been disappearing on me. Was an Amtrak down there, he had his lights on, and then, you know, I was prepared to film, and he turned his lights off. I didn't know where the train was. He turned the lights back on, and I seen the train, and I stopped filming it. And the same thing with this guy down here. There was lights on, he turned them off, and I don't see the train. I tell you, the next train that come down here should be in a cellar. That's why I'm gonna click this this video. And I've been living down here for years. This is the furthest I've been down these tracks from over here. It's the furthest I've been down. I didn't even know they had a little bridge over there. See, a train is coming. I'm gonna go down a little bit further because I didn't see that bridge. I didn't even know they had that bridge over there. Like I said, yeah, that's a bridge over there. This should be in a cellar. Walk with me, cause I'm gonna try to film everything on this train right here. If this is not in a cellar, it's 8 minutes. We got another 2 minutes, and racing a helicopter. Got a helicopter up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a helicopter route down this northeast corridor, along with the airport. That's right over there. Airport is right over there because the next stop is the Newark Liberty Airport, and they have a monorail that rides all around over there. I got video footage of that. That's a Budweiser manufacturing plant over there. They manufacture Bud. And like I said, I didn't know they had this right there. They had a bridge over there. Look at this type of metal right there. I could pull that with my trains. It's different type of bolts and stuff like that they got down here. But I didn't know they had that bridge over there. It's a bridge. The train goes across that bridge when it goes across that grade. And I don't know what they're doing over there. I think a rail comes out of there. A rail comes out of there.